Welcome to the video, guys. I'm at Taua Beach Falas and I'm going to be showing you around. So if you head in here, this is the main bar and restaurant area. So this is where you're going to have your meals, breakfast and dinner. So breakfast is at 7 and then dinner, oh no, breakfast at 9, sorry, and then dinner's at 7. So it's a nice big space where you can sit, have drinks and then eat your food. I'm going to show you the beach falas over there, and then I'll go over there, and then I'll go back up there to show you the standard villas and family villas now. Right, so this one is a beachfront fala with deck, and it's right on the beachfront of Lalomanu Beach. So if you head in there, it's got 2 beds, which one's a double, one's a single. It comes with a fan, you've got mosquito nets, and then it backs onto the little courtyard where all the falas are. And then it's got a beachfront view, excuse me George, sorry, beachfront view of Lalomanu Beach, which is perfect place. Desk and chair there, or table and chair there, perfect. So this is the courtyard then, you've got all the beach falas here, some on the other side, this is the restaurant, some on the other side. There's like varying room types. These are classed as open, but they can get tarps wrapped around it for the rain, or if you want to for sleep. But they're all together here, which is very good. Then it's the same on the other side, you've got pretty much the same setup, only this side you've got all of the day falas. So you can rent these for the day, and these can be enclosed with the tarps again, but this is just a nice place to chill out with your family and watch the waves on Lalomanu Beach. So if you cross the road onto the other side, then if you're in these falas and you don't have a toilet, some of them have toilets, these are going to be your toilets and showers. So I'll take you in the men's quickly and show you that, but it's got ladies and then men's as well. And it's just 2 toilets and 2 showers. Pretty good, showers are pretty powerful. So you've got the showers here, 2 toilets in there. And then if you head up here, this is where you're gonna have the standard villas, and then the family villas. The family villas are on the front, sorry, and then the standard villas on the back. So I'll show you around one of them now. It's got a car park, so it's free to park here as well, which is good. So if you bring in your car, if you're hiring a car, it's a perfect place to come and drop that. On both levels then, there is a few spaces to park your car. The one we're going to be allowed to show you guys is the red one here. So you'll get a little room key like this. I'll just show you in there now. So this is what a family villa looks like. You've got 2 double beds and 1 single bed. So 5 people can sleep in here. You've got a nice deck outside there, which I'll show you. Sink, fridge in the room itself, and then nice bathroom if you come in here. You can get in. Nice bathroom, great big shower, and another sink there. And then I'll take you on the deck now. So out on the deck then you've got table and chairs. Again, great view of the sea back there behind the falas, and then also sunbed, and then your second door there. So that's the family villa, and the standard villa is just the same, just obviously with less beds. So that's all the accommodation then. It's pretty good, really good quality, and I'm going to show you around the rest of the place now. Accommodation all done then, I'm going to show you the beach now. Lalomanu Beach it's called. One of the best beaches in Samoa, if not the best. And this can be your doorstep if you stay at Taua Beach Falas or come here for the day on a day tour. I'm going to take you in the water and have a little snorkel and show you what type of fish you can see. But as you can probably see already, the water is absolutely amazing. Crystal clear, deep. That guy stood up over there, so it's like perfect. It's like a swimming pool, and it's absolutely beautiful. So Lalomanu Beach itself then stretches all the way down there to that island. There's an island there, and then just beyond it and round this bend is an island called Namua Island, and you can do like a day tour there. We were going to do it, but unfortunately we ran out of time. So if you've got a few extra days, you can head to a village past Taua Beach Falas, and then ask around there. and you'll be able to find out more about that day tour that they have to offer. Anyway, the sea is beautiful. I'm gonna get my snorkel and put the camera in the case now and show you some of the fish that you can see. So out here on Lalomanu beach, the depth is perfect for snorkeling. If you come out about maybe, what's that, 100 metres, you can swim all along there and there and snorkel, but be careful of the tides because the current can be quite strong at times. So Lalomanu beach is absolutely perfect for snorkeling. When it's calm like this, it's just amazing. Look how glassy the water is, and the depth of the water is perfect for swimming, and it was a really great day out if you do want to come. So that's what you can see snorkeling then. I'm going to put the drone up so that you can see it from above and you can see the amazing colour of the water.
No. Kind of likes it.
Really?
Oh.
Just back to my room now then. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys, and you found it a bit useful to see what Lalomanu beach looks like and the Taua beach falaise. Like and subscribe, follow us both, me and Georgie, on Instagram, and subscribe for more videos. We've just done a load of videos on Samoa, so the ocean trench, Piola caves, some secret cave pools, and then some waterfalls as well, and also the giant clams. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, check them videos out too. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.